Okay, let's see. What does this journal have? Digging has progressed as expected. The barrier can now be reached easily, and after some exploration, it appears to fully enclose the site below ground. I do not recommend attempting to circumvent it at future sites. Etta Bergman arrived this morning, and I must extend my thanks. The honorarium offered was clearly enough to settle her concerns regarding her operation, as I suspected, her unique disposition has proved invaluable to our efforts. She was able to cross the threshold of the site's gate without injury. Already, preparation has begun to lay the railway necessary for efficient extraction of all valuable assets. I estimate 1 week. Okay. Basically, it's like a mining area. Oh no, not this guy. Uh, okay, where is Estelle? Dude, they have to do something with the AI of this game, like, especially for companions. Also, I feel like he is getting stuck over there. Like, if I go too far away, he just goes back. Yeah, okay. Now he will come back towards me, and I do that. And they have to really work with AI in this game, like enemy AI, companion AI, everything. Oh! So if they are down, you do massive damage to them. Okay. Okay, for this guy, I need a pick. Nice. Okay. Let me go back. Hail infusion. Nice. Let me go back. Let's see. As planned, the minecart is able to pass the site's gate without issue, and we have extracted a substantial amount of fake crafted items and realmic minerals. Our first shipment will be en route tomorrow evening as scheduled. I would as well like to request additional funds for the further payment of Etta Bergman. She is vital to the success of this operation, yet has again expressed discomfort with her role. We have confirmed that the site remains vacant, yet, as with our last excursion, members of the crew, including Miss Bergman, are hindered by superstitious beliefs. I would like to quell these rumors as quickly as possible to avoid any further delays. Okay, now I want to head back all the way to the top and see the other direction, because this pathway definitely feels like it's leading towards the bottom of the pit, right? Like mining area. So there was this other pathway. Where does this lead? Is it the same thing? Oh, it is the same thing. Okay. Okay, instead of going there, Oh! Oh my god, I got it. I thought it was some enemy or something. Yeah. That's where I killed the enemy, right? Yeah. And this is where the loot is. What is that for? Okay. Sure. Uh, Wait, what is this? This is like manually constructed. The lighting is weird. Okay, where does this path lead? Like, I can go further ahead. Oh, there is loot. See? I thought I missed something. Okay, all nice. Okay. Also, let me check something. What are these used for? Is it just like attributes? I guess so. Okay, let me go further down now. Cold! Oh no. Usually enemies spawn over here. I guess it's a boss, that's it. I need to spawn that and there'll be boss. Okay, let me release this. Wait a second, I just realized something. I did not read the date till now. It's August 10th, 1884. 1884. Disaster has struck. While delving into the site's final chamber, Etta Bugman ceased communication and a scream was heard by all attending crew members. With no means to reach her, they waited only to be met by rumble and an onslaught of unfamiliar humanoid creatures. My distance from the incident allowed me to avoid the commotion. I have abandoned the area with all I could salvage from our next planned shipment. I recommend that all additional NTTC assets, including personnel, be considered lost. At your earliest convenience, send an envoy with aid. I dare not attempt to evade the beast with such cargo, and I will not abandon what was found. Okay, probably even this guy died. Yeah. Pay activation gem, and that will activate a boss. It's the same boss. Oh man. Oh, he has a different attack. Really? Okay. What? Oh, he has the same attack as the other guy did. Okay. Nice. Ooh. First, pick her up. Thank you. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, so the boss does not drop anything. That's provisioner. Wait, did I get that? Oh, that's how you unlock that? Okay. I did not mean to do. Okay, I did not think that would finish the quest. I did not know that's how you get the provisioner card. Okay, that was just pure coincidence. Sure. Okay. Okay. Now I will go back up. Okay, at least now I am getting something. At least the boss, even though the boss is same, he does different attacks. So at least that's something. Like even though it's the same boss. Oh, I can. Oh. Even though it's the same boss, it's still different, I guess, in some way. It would be nice if it's like a completely new boss, but still, I guess for now this works. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, what is the next one? Complete the quest Diving Ever Further, Astrolabe. Diving Ever Further, Provisioner. And Herbarium. Here Wilhelmia's newest rumor. Talk to Wilhelmia Sass. Unlock Astrolabe card. That's the next one. Wilhelmia Sass is over here, right? Yeah. Okay. That is completed. This is running. Antiquarian Site of Power running. Provisional Site of Power is completed. What? I completed this Antiquarian Site of Power. Okay, I don't know why it's. Oh, Astrolabe Site of. Oh, I need to do this one next. Okay. Okay. But before that, let's see. Do I want more ore? Do I want to get some ore? Will that help? What is my I have a lot of weight capacity. Maybe I will get a little bit more ore. Since I'm already here, I can get it easily. Oh. I don't want to fight you guys. Go away. Nice. How much do I have now? 12. Yeah. My base is slowly taking shape. Nice. Okay. What do I want to? I was just upgrading my gear, right? $42? Oh, 45. Yeah, I will, even if I do all of these, I think the max I will go is like 47 or something. I will go to like 47 gear score, which is not enough. Yeah. So next is probably talk to Wilhelmia Sass, or I can do this. I can do the Astrolabe site of power, or I can talk to her. I think I'll go talk to her first before doing anything. Oh, I need to eat something. Also, I will take the beach path to reach that place. Is there fall damage? Oh, there is, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is a lot peaceful than the upper path. There are like wolves over there, there are enemies, everybody spawns. Like, yeah, I am not fighting all of them. Instead, this path is better. Okay. What do you have for me? Ah, you again. Always a pleasure. Now I'm sure you're here for my exceptional services, but I have a proposal for you if you're interested in doing a bit of digging for me. I might be interested. I had a fascinating story about an American lawyer roaming the realms and trying to look rather inconspicuous while he was at it. Journalist intuition tells me he's up to something, and I would like to know what. Find him and see what he can learn. Where can I find him? Rumor has it he's currently passing through a provisional forest. Which one? I haven't a clue. I can hardly wait to hear what kind of sordid behavior he's running from or towards. Of course, before you go scampering off, is there anything I can do for you? That's all. Okay, travel to a forest provisional realm. And then unlock Astrolabe card. Okay. Before that, let me see something. So, yeah, these are all like Explorer, Angler, Feast, Estate Address card. That's the only card, I guess, which I might want from this guy. I have all the crafting benches. So, just buy that. Nice. Estate Address card is... No, clothing, gear. These are so costly. Like, it's insane how costly these things are. Resources. Wire. Is it like no, it's not. It's just raw resources. I was thinking maybe it will unlock that recipe for me, but no, that's not the case. Okay. Food. Features trophy. Augmentations. Dual drinking horns. Crafting benches. Refined cooking station is over here. Excellent stations are over here. Oh my god. Okay. But refined cooking station is something that I can... Not enough essence? Oh, it's blue. Okay. These are blue. Okay. Excellent smelter. There is so many resources you can craft. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm guessing there are only 3 variations. One which you can buy with this. The second variation which you can buy with this. The third variation which you can buy with these two probably. Which is excellent. The normal one, the refined one, the excellent one. I really hope there is not a third one after that. Like, okay. Nice. So now is going all the way over here. Wolves. And enemies. Yeah, this is what I was saying. Why? Oh my. I will try to run to my base. I don't want to fight these guys. It's just way too boring. And then I will go towards the astrolabe. What is this? Where am I? Oh, somebody was sleeping here. Inside this. I mean, that's a nice shelter. Okay, where am I? Wait, this was near my base? Yeah, that's the... Where is my base? Oh! It's right over there. Oh my god. Okay. Also, can I climb this or something? No. That moon looks so like so awesome to look at. Okay. There are so many moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Is this like the entire solar system or what? Like, nice. Okay, where have I kept my ingots, by the way? That's an ingot. That's also an ingot, okay. Okay, I think I'm good. I think what I'll do is I will actually... Maximum health is 35, hunger mitigation is 5. Plus 10 health versus these, okay. Pray. Wait, what does this give? Stamina. I think... Wait. I think I will take this. Yeah. Nice. I will wake up. Everything would have crafted. I will pick all of that stuff up and head out to Astrolabe. Astrolabe. Yeah. Nice. Can do that. Now I want to repair all. I need a lot more like tier 1 essence. Yeah, this is the best one to extract essence. Repair all. It's still not repaired. No! I messed up. I right clicked when I was in the inventory. Okay, now repair all. Perfect. Left with 7 tier 1 essence. Okay. This is perfect. Now I can head out. And where is Astrolabe? Is in this direction. Okay. Now I can happily head out and complete this. Oh, it was this one. I did take a look at it when I was traveling to the portal, and I was like, I can do this also, but thank God I didn't do it at that time. I didn't attempt to do it at that time because I would have gotten destroyed. This is a high level area. Yeah. Okay, finally enemy spawned. Oh. Oh, did I hit her? That guy's down. Oh, that's another entry point. Oh, so this place has 4 different entry points. Okay. From all 4 sides. Okay. Can I go up? I think so. Let's see. There exists perhaps no single circumstance which distinguishes the Calcularia more remarkably from all other factions than the vast extent and perfection to which we have carried the contrivance of tools and machines for replicating fake constructs. The amount of patient thought, oh, of repeating experiment, of happy exertion of genius by which what? Of happy exertion of genius by which our manufacturers have been created and carried to their present excellence is scarcely to be imagined. If we look to the city we inhabit, or to the atrium and foot transit, we shall find in the history of each gear and cog a series of failures which have gradually led the way to excellence, and we shall notice in the art of making even the most insignificant of them processes calculated to excite our admiration, to prove our superiority to the outdated methods of the Fae. What? Charles Babbage. Okay. Can I go down? I can. Can I go up? Let's see. One of these has to be a dead end. Like... No, I can go up. Come on. Ooh,